Alright guys, I'm doing a 2016 Mack Mru with a battery disconnect. So obviously you're going to wire up your cables right here on the battery or at the switch. You're going to run it up. They're going to have to lift up the cab like we did on this one. This one's not done yet because we haven't gotten to it yet. But you're going to run your wire down, up, and then on that entryway right there where you see the heat carpet right there, the shield, that's where you're going to go up to get to your center console. This is the one that we're doing. So you're going to have to remove some of the screws here, lift up that cover, and you'll get your wires. If you're not doing battery disconnect, you can get your power and your ground right here. My ignition's here. That's where I grab ignition. The CAN bus only picked up the brake, so hardwired turn signals. They're labeled. Number 3 right there is your left turn signal, and number 5 is your right turn signal. And then for the camera, I mounted it, ran it down, and I drilled a hole in this center console piece to get my wire in and down to here. And that's it.